took a bite of a boneless wing.
He took a bite of a boneless wing.
He took a bite of a boneless.
I built a town out of like candy Lego. It's so cool. Look, I made like a big building. I made a skyscraper. A little like you see the fences. A little house. Like a little maybe a family of ants that could live in there. It's so cool. I'm gonna eat.
It's stuck. The far lens is stuck on my TV. Holy crap.
The recruiter from Yubinika 5 Nick Taisoji, and did you ever ask